last few years, we've been hanging out, writing music and singing songs in this 1958 trade wind. We thought it was about time to share it with the rest of our friends. Welcome to the 29ers Airstream sessions.
Hello. We are Sons of the East from Sydney, Australia. We're just in a cool little Airstream outside of Philly. Playing our first show here tonight. We got some delicious tequila by our side, a little fire outside. We're feeling good. We're going to play Playing Hard to Get, which is the first track, the opening track to our brand new album, Palomar Parade. And boys, let's get this thing on the road. We hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Late night darling, down a lonely street. Late night darling, baby, 'cause you know I'm weak. Come on over, if you treat me kind. I'ma come on over, baby, you've been on my mind. Well, it's hard playing hard to get high on another bed. Losing the fight, I'm gonna need a friend. I'm a wild man that needs a tame. I got cocaine around my brain. Here comes the night, I'll race you to the end. That's right. Morning shaking with a wicked fright. Morning's breaking on me in the blinding light. Come down slowly, I need a place to land. And I'll come down somewhere slowly, I need your helping hand. It's hard playing hard to get high on another bed. Here come the night, I'll race you to the end. Wild man that needs a tame. Cocaine around my brain. Here comes the night, I'll race you to the end. Alright, let's go around. Hard playing hard to get high on another bed. Losing the fight, I'm gonna need a friend. I'm a wild man that needs a tame. I got cocaine around my brain. Here comes the night, I'll race you to the end.